We're Chuck and Lori. Pack your bag and join us as we explore Iceland. Today we're going to learn Icelandic 101 because we can't pronounce anything yet. All right, here's another one. You ready?
Ready?
Pronounce this one.
Steinbragini.
What?
Steinbragini. Hallgrimskirkja.
Hallgrimskirkja.
Uh-oh.
Iceland! So, Lori and I are at the Canopy Hilton in Reykjavík.
With Sygny.
It's going to help Lori and I learn and help you learn how to speak Icelandic, at least for the common places that you're going to see along your way around here.
I don't think I can do the rolling of the tongue.
It's okay, do your best.
Okay, so Lori, try the first one.
Okay, so that is Reykjavík.
Pretty good. Reykjavík.
Reykjavík.
Yes.
Ooh, good job.
It's getting harder now.
Okay, that's
Hallgrimskirkja.
Hallgrimskirkja.
Uh-oh.
Pretty good though. Hallgrimskirkja. Hallgrimskirkja.
Hallgrims. Uh-oh. Safnahúsið. So the culture house.
Safnahúsið.
Safnahúsið.
Húsið. Yeah. Okay, that one is a tough one.
Uh-oh, that's that one that we just talked about. Thríhnúkagígur Volcano.
Thríhnúkagígur.
Thríhnúkagígur. Thríhnúkagígur.
Very good, actually. That was almost perfect. Almost. It's pretty good.
I'll press the button here for you.
Okay.
That's outside the pipeline.
One more time.
Fagradalsfjall.
Fagradalsfjall.
Fagradalsfjall
Uh-oh.
Volcano. That's the one that's been erupting.
Fagradalsfjall. You're not even gonna want to hear what I say about this one. It looks like I know it's not Kirkjubæjarklaustur.
Kirkjubæjarklaustur.
Oh no. Oh my. Clisters.
Very good. Close. It's close.
Hrifunes Nature Park?
Hrifunes. Hrifunes.
Hrifunes?
Hrifunes. Hrifunes.
Hrifunes.
Nature Park, yeah.
Hrifunes.
Hrifunes, yes. These are difficult.
It's a hard one.
Do you have it, Chuck, or no? Hrifunes.
Yes.
Okay. Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss. It looks like I'm doing what it looks like, which I know it probably isn't. So Seljalandsfoss Falls?
Seljalandsfoss.
Seljalandsfoss.
Foss. Foss means falls, so it's a waterfall.
So Seljalandsfoss?
Seljalandsfoss.
Seljalandsfoss.
Yes.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Skógafoss Waterfall?
Skógafoss.
Skógafoss? Foss?
Pretty good.
Skógafoss.
Yeah, Skógafoss. You got it.
Okay. Sólheimasandur plane wreck?
Yeah, Sólheimasandur. Sólheimasandur.
Sólheimasandur.
Very good. Yeah.
Reynisfjara Beach?
Reynisfjara Beach.
Reynisfjara?
Yeah.
Reynisfjara. Reynisdrangar Cliffs?
Reynisdrangar.
Reynisdrangas? Reynisdrangas?
Reynisdrangar.
I'm probably gonna scare people. Reynisdrangas. Drangas.
Almost.
Reynisdrangas. Drangas. Drangas.
Yeah.
Reynisdrangas.
Yeah, pretty good.
Reynisdrangas.
Reynisdrangar.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna say it funny, but it's just gonna make you laugh. It's like Dyrhólaey.
That's pretty good.
Dyrhólaey.
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 Perfect. She got it.
Dyrhólaey.
Dyrhólaey. That was a good one.
Fallarson? No,
Fjallsárlón. Try that. Fjallsárlón.
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 Pretty good. Yes.
Jökulsárlón. Okay. I know it doesn't, you don't say it like it looks, and I always try to say it that way. So
Yeah.
is it Jökulsárlón Ice Glacier?
Jökulsárlón.
Uh-oh.
Jökulsárlón.
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 Jökulsárlón. But Jökulsárlón, like you would have to kind of say it properly. Jökulsárlón.
Jökulsárlón.
Yes. Okay. Pretty good. That was a good one.
So, blah, blah. So, thank you to Sygny for teaching us some Icelandic today.
Yes,
You're
thank you
welcome.
very much.
It was a lot of fun.
You're welcome. You did pretty well.
Thank
Pretty
you.
well. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Cheers.